Today we will go through the collab notebook that I've done on English to Amharic machine translation, where I implemented deep learning based model which uses transformer. So this project involves pre-processing the data tokenization, training on neural network, in my case, which is transformer, and then evaluation and also the deployment and API access. So let's see how it works. So first I try to import torch metrics and other libraries as you can see here. So these libraries will be very useful to use tokenization, uh, like NLTK library for pre-processing the text. And also after that I imported my dataset. So I saved all my values in this project directory, and I imported my dataset here. And after that uh, I tried to define some values, so I gave it 100 epoch and a batch size of 64 and a dropout of 0.1. And after that I went to Amharic and English text preprocessor. So in this text preprocessor I gave it normalized it. I removed abbreviations, and I also removed punctuation of non-Amharic terms. And after that I decompressed values like this. So we will try to normalize it, so when it sees mamher, it will change it to mamher. And after that I tried to normalize the other versions of ha. So we have 6 versions of ha, and it will be translated to this ha. So it will try to normalize every value here. And also I tried to do the same thing for English. I removed non-English characters with the punctuations and everything. After that I removed the stop words and lemmatization. And after that I gave it, after that I decompressed these values. And let's jump to, this is also another pre-processing technique. So after that, after I loaded it, I went to making the model. So let's jump to the model. So this is a word embedding this, after here this is a transformer model. So I defined the encoder decoder architecture using PyTorch, and the encoder processes the input sentence and converts into context aware representation, and the decoder after that tries to encode the input and generates the translated Amharic sentence. Uh, so after that I went to training, so I gave it, after this is the decoder block, and we have an encoder block over here. And after here I defined my inference engine, where I gave it my value and do all the encoder and decoding here, and after that it will give me a result. So basically I will be calling this method from my API, this class from my API. So in here I will try, this is my validation and this is my training. So I trained my data for 100 epoch, so it resulted in a high performing model. So let's see the word like hi guys. So it translated it to salam. Maybe if I give it like I love Ethiopia, then it will translate it like Ethiopian or Dalo. Maybe like let's give it I love cars. So it translated it to Makinauchin or Dalo. So basically the corpus is made of biblical terms and other terms. So let's see another value line from the dataset. So in soul swear to her by his Lord. So let's give it this word from the dataset. ሳውልንም እግዚአብሔር ፊት ታወራለች, something like that. So it translated Lord as እግዚአብሔር and Saul to Saul, and basically